Hi guys, I'm going to show you the way to create a background window in your photo. As usual, feel free to download this stock in the description. Here I have an amazing landscape photo and a rain mirror. First, duplicate layer 1 twice by pressing Ctrl or Command J 2 times. Turn off both layers. In layer 1, change blend mode to overlay so we can see the below mirror. We blur the landscape because the mirror will be in focus. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, 10 pixels. In layer 1 copy, change to soft light in blend mode. Pick up text tool and type out the text that you like. Ctrl T to expand the size. Then move it to the center of the canvas. Use Brush tool, B shortcut, click to amount, click to arrow icon and wheel icon. Choose Import Brushes, load water brushes. Create a new layer with the icon in the lower right corner. Make sure the foreground color is black. Right-click to the canvas, open Water Brush folder, and select this brush to create water that comes from the text. Just dab to the areas that you want to add the water effect. No need to keep the same brush at all, just change whatever that you see fit to your photo. Create your own unique textures. Tips: use bracket on the keyboard to increase or decrease the brush size to boost up your workflow. Use Erase tool to remove some places that you want. Before that, you should change to soft brown brush. When you are done with adding water brush effect to the text, in text layer, right-click to it and select rasterize layer. Now merge two top layers with Ctrl or Command E. Open Liquify with shortcut Ctrl Shift X for Windows or Command Shift X for Mac. In here, use Forward Warp tool, which is the default tool that Photoshop will choose after opening Liquify. Warp your text just like this. Increase the pressure to 100 in case you are using a mouse. Then hit OK. In second layer, press Ctrl or Command G to create a group. Hold Ctrl and click to the top layer to take the selection of the text. Then in group layer, click to layer mask to add the text to layer mask. In text layer, change blend mode to soft light. To make it look clearly by pressing Ctrl J, decrease the opacity to 50%. Final step, add a bit of contrast to the image with curve adjustment layer. Increase highlight and decrease shadow to make edge curve. That's it. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe buttons to get more tips on a daily basis. See you in the next tutorial.